Outstanding design defines the 2018 Nissan Rogue. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include a split folding rear seat, blind spot sensor, rear wipers, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.